everyone, I'm Iris from Chinese Learning. 大家好，我是 Iris， 一名中文老师 ，and nice to see you here. 很高兴在这里见到你们。As we all know, 众所周知 ，coronavirus gets worse and worse. 病毒越来越严重。So, how do we protect ourselves? 我们怎么保护自己呢？Today, we will learn a new word about the virus. 口罩。Oh, what's this? What's 口罩？口罩是什么？ Very simple, just like this. This is 口罩. So, 口罩. And it's pinyin like this. 口 and 罩. So 口 is the third tone and the 罩 is the last tone. So 口罩. This is 口罩. And the characters how to write. So 口 means mouth, like a circle. So we just write the 口 like a circle? No. In Chinese, characters must be horizontal and vertical. So we need to write the circle will be horizontal and vertical. Yeah, so just like this. This is 口. Is it simple? Yeah. And the next one, oh, 罩. How to write 罩? 口罩, just like a night to protect us. So we need to write a night at first. And then, who wears mask? Yeah, people. So people means 人. And we need to write 人 here. But we also need to horizontal and vertical. So here is people wear masks. And then we need to wear masks earlier or later. Yeah, earlier. So we need earlier. 早 here. This is 罩. Is it simple to you? So this is 口罩 and mask. Do you remember that? And do you want to learn more Chinese and characters? I'm Iris. I'm waiting for you at Chinese Learning. Bye bye.